Greetings everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in. Today I will be doing a DIY, a Dollar Tree DIY. This is a two-part DIY comprised of a DIY Dollar Tree placemat made from Dollar Tree calendars. And the second DIY is a mirror planter box made from different pieces purchased from the Dollar Tree. First, the two calendar sheets were glued together evenly with a paper glue stick. Secondly, the edges were trimmed very neatly. Third, the sheets were allowed to dry, making sure there were no wrinkles or puckers. Fourth, it was then taken to Kinko FedEx and professionally laminated and trimmed the edges evenly. And this is the finished placemat, usable on both sides and wipeable for easy cleaning. Let's begin. This is a Dollar Tree DIY. Today I will be creating a glass mirror planter box, like the one pictured here from Wayfair. All the materials used will be listed below in the description box.